Good morning everyone. Now today we are going to discuss about the inertia. Already in last topic we have discussed that first law of Newton is also known as law of inertia. Inertia is of three types: inertia of rest, inertia of motion and inertia of direction. With the help of this we can understand, firstly we will understand the type of inertia of rest. What is inertia of rest? Inertia of rest, we can say the tendency of a body to oppose any change, means whatever position the body is having, in that position only body will try to remain. That tendency of the body is known as inertia of rest. Means the tendency of a body to oppose any change in its state of rest is known as inertia of rest. Now we can take the example in such a way, like if a car is in the rest position, the car wanted to be in the rest position only again and again. Now suppose we will take the example, a carpet was there and a girl was hitting the carpet with the help of a stick. The girl was hitting the carpet with the help of a stick, and in such situation you can understand, as the carpet will come in the contact of stick, the carpet will come in the motion form, but the dust particle inside the carpet will remain in the rest due to inertia of rest. And that is why what will happen, the carpet will start coming in the motion, but dust particle, they will be in the rest and they will all fallen down, means carpet will removed by the dust. This, with the help of this law of inertia, we can just easily clean the carpet. Now in another case, I hope in your daily life you will have seen, while we are playing carom board, at that times we are placing some coins in such a way, some coins we are placing, when with the help of striker we people are just hitting the last coin like this. This coin will shift in another side, but remaining all coin will as it is just set over there. So with the help of that we can say, these all coins was they were following the inertia of rest, means we can say they just followed the law of inertia. Means in such a case, one coin before the coin was there shifted, but at the same time this all are shift, means remaining all followed the law of inertia. Now in such situation, suppose sometime we are sitting in a bus. In the bus the body was in the rest, at the same time randomly the bus start. Then what happened, the bus start, the bus is coming in the motion, but our body like to just follow the law of inertia in the rest, and body remain in the rest. That is why we are getting a jerk of back side. This is a specific thing, we are getting a jerk of back side because our body is in the back position and bus is moving in the forward position. You can take one more example. Suppose up on a tumbler, on a glass, we are placing a cardboard, and on the top we are placing a coin. With the help of such situation we can understand, the coin is lying upside. As we will strike over there on the cardboard, then you will see the cardboard will shift, cardboard will come up this side, but that coin will go inside the glass. Why so? Because as we strike, we hit the cardboard come in the motion, but the coin followed the law of inertia of rest. Due to inertia of rest, the coin fallen down and it strike on the same position, it fallen down in the tumbler. Thank you.